Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level at Islamabad campus. Today I am share my review of the TEDx Talk Why People Believe They Can Draw by Garam Shah. This TEDx Talk is simple, fun and very inspired. Garham Shah explained that many people believe the contact, contact, connect draw because they lose confidence as they grow older. He showed that anyone can learn to draw by following a few easy steps. One of the biggest lessons I learned is that our mindset is more important than our talent. If we believe that we can learn something and keep practice, we can improve our skills over time. Ram also teach that we should never say I can't do it. Instead, we should try, practice, and learn from our mistake. Small improvement every day can lead to great success. This talk reminded me that learn is a journey, whether it is drawing, speaking English, coding, or any other skill. Confidence and practice are the key to improvement. I also learned the creativity in inside everyone. We should not compare our sleeves with other. Instead, we should enjoy learning and continue developing our abilities. Overall, I found this TEDx talk every enjoyable, educational, and motivational. It inspired me to believe in myself, keep practicing, and never stop learning new skills. I recommended everyone to watch Why People Believe They Can Draw because it teaches that anyone can improve with confidence, practice, and practice. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation level F at Islamabad campus. And see you next time, inshallah. Thank you for watching my review. Allah Hafiz.